Rise and shine, it's trading time. Y'all, it's your boy Coach O Trade, and we about to go crazy in the market today. I'm telling you straight up, I'm a dude from the inner cities of Houston. And now I'm about to make this industry make me a millionaire. My goal is by the age of 40, I'm gonna hit my first million. And here's how I'm gonna do it. Investments, real estate property, and income, right? I'm about 700 right now in total net worth, but I'm talking about straight income. So the last 5 days, I've reintroduced myself to the market, all right? And here's why I say reintroduce myself. 3 years ago, I bought AMD when it was $40 a share. And I sold it the moment I made $660. Yeah, I was ignorant. I know that. If I was patient, that 660 would have turned into thousands. But I'm smarter now, and I study now, and I do my research now. And here's why I'm even doing this video. So many of our youth, who's gonna be our future leaders of tomorrow, is trying to drop out of high school, not advance their education because they want to get into real estate and get in the stock market, which is a great idea. I wish I would have known this in 18. I wish my high school teachers would have told me about the market. But they're not getting the knowledge. They're not studying. And because they're not studying, they're losing money. They're losing hope. They're losing confidence. So I'm gonna tell you what I do. And then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do in these next couple of days to increase my profit in the market and how I believe. Mind you, it's a belief, strong belief, but it's a strong, educated guess. It's just like a scientist. How do I know how to make a cure for a disease? Because I have my hypothesis, I do my educated research. So there's a low percentage fail rate, all right? So the 3 apps I primarily use are Moomoo. I don't use Moomoo no more, but I've used it. Webull, I'm active in Webull, and Fidelity, all right? I'm starting options today in Fidelity, but I use all my options normally in Webull. So today, in 5 days, I made over $892 profit, and yesterday was my highest earning day of $500, all right? Options. But here's what I want you to do before you even think about investing, or here's what I know. Great, before you even think about investing, make sure you have enough income, because this is not a, hey, I'm gonna make money today and this is gonna be my income, so I quit my job. What I realized of every investor that I followed, they're talking long-term investing. And because their mindset is long-term investing, they're finding out how to make it short-term. So I don't want you taking your rent out, your mortgage, your daycare money. I don't want you ending your marriage because you're taking investment as gambling, because it is nothing of that. And the next thing, you have to have at least 30 minutes to an hour a day to really do your research. Investing is studying. It's like college. But the blessing is you have so many resources available to you to really be a great investor. You got Yahoo Finance, you got YouTube, and you have so many opportunities to see investment opportunities, securities, and break down where it's at. I follow some of the best YouTube brokers on YouTube Traders to guide me and help me dissect which way I'm gonna go. All right, so this morning I'm gonna do it. This is my confession. I got shares diversified. I got Tesla, I got Palantir, I got Amazon, I got Apple shares. I'm going big today though. Because all the reports are leading to this week being one of the biggest weeks before it hits a slump. And yesterday, our market had a surplus, right? We went high in our market yesterday. So I'm going all in on NVIDIA. Yeah, I get options. I'm gonna get $1,000 worth of calls on NVIDIA, and I'm gonna hold it. And we're gonna see how I do. And here's why. NVIDIA, I know some of y'all like, that's for computer graphics. NVIDIA is a chip maker. Tesla uses NVIDIA. Microsoft uses NVIDIA. Most of your AI utilized platforms are using NVIDIA. And from every projection, NVIDIA has the capability of climbing to about $500 a share. Right now it's at 133. And there's been no negative reports. And you got to keep in mind, when you see those negative reports, really click on those negative report headlines and read what it's saying. Because some of those reports make you want to think fast and sell to cover those puts. Put yourself in a position to actually click and read. One thing I know about investing, you actually have to take your time to invest, because if you don't, that's the quickest way to lose money. All right, today I'm sharing on Fidelity, and I'm going big on NVIDIA. And we're going to process this thing, y'all. I don't want to say wish me luck, because I did all my research and I'm ready to go all in. And remember, this is not the money that I have to pay rent. This is not the money that I have to pay mortgage. So if you don't have that extra income, or that income that you've been saving just for investments, long term, this is not something I'm doing just for today. This is long term. So whenever I retire, I love my job though, so I might not, I'm able to live off, and I'm able to pass it down to my son, my daughter, and teach my son and my daughter how to invest and continue to have that generational wealth. But one thing I do know, knowledge is key to success. It is not overnight. It's not a popcorn method. It ain't just follow the charts. You got to do your research. Coach O'Trade. Today's going to be a big day. Let's get it.